Okay, here I am out in the field next to my apartment building on the TTR. It's running, but not 100%. Carb seems a little off. But you hear off idle, it sounds a little weak, sputtery. I mean, it feels okay once it's going here. It's just the mode field part. The bike is not 100% back together, but I did want to take it out and ride it around a little bit, see what does and doesn't work. It's a dirt bike, so it's standard shift. I've got my motocross boots on. Other thing I was going to say about it is I'm on grass here. It doesn't exactly feel hooked up. And I go through the unmowed part here. Mowing over the flowers! Man, off-road feels so squirrely. I have no off-road skills whatsoever. And having to stand up on foot pegs, that's something new. The other thing is I can't stand fully upright because of the handlebars. They're not tall enough. I'm kind of knuckle dragging here. There's also no track here. I'm just riding through the grass. Feels dumb. I feel like I'm 12 years old. Look, I have a motorcycle. This is a very different experience to road racing. Someone out there on an ATV. There's horses down there. Everybody's out in the field doing different field-like things. Well, the engine doesn't seem to obviously smoke. I really can't tell because I'm pointed the wrong direction. There's just no telling what the ground is like. It's all covered with grass. Feels really bumpy. The other thing I'm kind of wondering about is the steering. I kind of get the impression the steering bearings are loose. Wound out in top gear. Woohoo! Look at that! Horses! Oh, I don't have my camera. I mean my cell phone. Means I don't have a way to get back in once I go out. Feels a little hesitaty there. I don't know if that means it's too rich. Maybe. Well, man, that fork feels soft. Okay, well, some vegetation in the bike. It looks like there's air in there. Doesn't quite, it's a little non-optimum.